Hello, my name is Antoinette Adams. I am a current graduate student at Grand Canyon University. Today I will be doing a presentation on Propionibacteria. Please bear with me as I have pneumonia currently and it's hard to breathe, talk, or cough without pain. So what is Propiona? I know that's what you're wondering, right? More than 100 years ago, P. acnes was first isolated from a patient with chronic skin disease called acne vulgaris and misclassified twice. Okay. Propionibacterium acnes is found briefly on the skin. Propionibacterium also has a normal flora of the oral cavity, but has been. So here we see that Propionibacterium is a type of it's gram positive. Okay, it belongs to the acneoic acid. They are also known for their role in acne development as they can contribute to the inflammation and formation of acne lesions. Additionally, some species of Propionibacterium are used in the production of Swiss cheese due to its ability to ferment and produce carbon dioxide, which help create the characteristic bacterial phylum. These bacteria are commonly found in the human skin and are involved in various processes, including the production of holes in the cheese. Acne vulgaris is a chronic disease that is caused by P. acnes that resides in the follicles and by producing peptides stimulates inflammatory response. So when P. acnes releases bacteria, hydrolytic enzymes stimulating located inflammatory response that contributes to a formation of acne. Okay, so here in the photo, you can see where the split-free fatty acids from the skin lipids produce an inflammatory that contribute to acne formation. This refers to the transformation, of the follicle into a primary acne lesion known as comedonium. During this process, P. acnes gets trapped in layers, and it results in a microcomedonium. So the microcomedonium then increases in size, and so here you can see where it's starting to increase down here. The follicle will try to repair itself by adding and shedding more keratin, and this increases the contents of the follicle itself. P. acne is responsible for a plethora of infections, and then minor infections will be blackheads, whiteheads, sores, bad acne. Here is an image of a patient. Her left shoulder, it had an abscess formation. This is an 82-year-old woman, 3 months after her primary shoulder surgery. So in A and B, you can see the sudden swelling and the pain above the left joint without radiological signs or loosening of the implant. But C and D, you see there's a large fluid collection. P. acnes was cultivated in 2 of 2 joints, 1 of 3 tissue biopsy specimens, and the sonication fluid of the mobile part of the implant. Propionibacterium is a genus. of bacteria that plays diverse roles in various environments, including human health and industrial processes. So human skin and health, P. acnes is a species of the Propionibacterium commonly found on human skin. While it's often associated with acne, it's also a normal part of the skin and can be beneficial in certain contexts. It helps maintain skin health by competing with harmful bacteria for resources and producing fatty acids that have antimicrobial properties. Okay. It's also good for food fermentation, which I will get into on the next slide. It's good for vitamin production. Certain strands of Propionibacterium have the ability to produce vitamins such as B12. This can be significant in various applications, such in the production of food supplements or in technological processes aimed at producing vitamins. Okay. These bacteria can degrade organic compounds and may be used in cleaning up environmental pollutants. It's also good for probiotics, which I will get into on the next slide as well. Overall, they may help regulate the gut, support digestion, and contribute to overall well-being. So as I mentioned, some species of Propionibacterium are used in industrial fermentation processes. So for example, the most famous one, and I can barely pronounce it, Propionibacterium Friederichi, is used in the production of Swiss cheese. So during cheese production, this bacterium produces carbon dioxide, which creates the characteristic bubbles in Swiss cheese. The bubbles here. It also contributes to the flavor and the texture of cheese. So Propionibacterium, it helps Swiss cheese with its structure and also the flavor. It creates the holes that we see inside of the cheese. So I know you're wondering, well, what are some good benefits of this bacterium? Good question, might I ask. So Propionibacterium species are known for their beneficial contributions in various fields such as food and health. They are known for their ability to produce propionic acid through fermentation. Propionic acid is used in various industries such as food preservation, like a flavoring agent. It helps with the flavor of foods. Crazy as that sounds. It's also used in the production of plastics and pharmaceuticals. So Propionibacterium acnes, now known as Cutibacterium acnes, is a species commonly found on the human skin. It is associated with acne development, but it also plays a role in maintaining the skin health by competing with the harmful bacteria and regulating skin oil production. Another major beneficial characteristic will be its probiotic effects. Some strains of Propionibacterium have studied for their potential probiotic effects. They may have beneficial effects on gut health, immune modulation, and metabolic functions. Propionibacterium has some distinctive traits. These bacteria have unique characteristics that set them apart from other microbial organisms, such as ground staining. So the Propionibacterium appears purple under the microscope due to its thick peptidoglycan layer found in the cell wall. It has anaerobic and facultative anaerobic. Many Propionibacterium species, they can be found surviving in water and aquatic and terrestrial environments. Okay, they can survive and grow in environments with low oxygen levels or without any oxygen at all. Some strains of Propionibacterium have been studied for their potential probiotic effects. They may have beneficial effects on gut health, immune modulation, and metabolic functions. Probiotics are used to alleviate skin disorder. So human example, yogurt. Probiotics in yogurt may help modulate the immune response, potentially reducing inflammation associated with Propionibacterium infections. So the species contribute to maintaining a healthy balance in the human microbiome. So as mentioned, they often play a positive role in supporting overall health and well-being. During fermentation, carbohydrates are converted into organic acids, gases like carbon dioxide, and alcohols. P. acne thrives in environments rich in nutrients, especially those containing carbohydrates and fatty acids. I hope you have enjoyed my presentation. I have included additional information. Inflammatory response. So the presence of these bacteria can lead to an inflammatory response, contributing to acne development. It's also used in therapeutic research. Scientists are studying ways to manage and regulate the population of P. acnes for treatment.